Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a dedicated workbook with 3 sheets: income, expenses, and accounts. Use consistent date and currency formats so formulas behave predictably. Now import the last 3 months of bank statements as CSV into a staging sheet. This saves typing and reduces errors. Once done, standardize categories like rent, groceries, utilities using short labels. Make sure to set headers: date, payee, category, account, amount. This gets you immediate, clean data to work with and prevents messy cleanup later. Next, focus on formulas that turn raw rows into insight. Use SUMIFs to total categories over date ranges and across accounts because SUMIFs handles multiple conditions reliably. Create a running balance column using an initial balance plus cumulative SUM or an IF that references prior row. This reveals cash flow through time. Add data validation drop-downs for category and account to prevent typos. Once in place, test with a few sample rows and adjust ranges to be dynamic, so new rows auto-include in calculations. Finish by creating pivot tables and simple charts to visualize monthly income, spending by category, and account balances. This answers the what and the why behind numbers. Reconcile workbook totals with actual bank statements at least weekly to catch recording errors early. If you find mismatches, first check for filters, hidden rows, or incorrect signs on amounts, then verify formula ranges and duplicate imports. If a persistent error remains, isolate by copying suspect rows to a new sheet and reevaluating formulas step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.